We've got another package in the mail today from Disney, so let's take a look at it. Disney Destiny. This one's the Disney Cruise Line. It's the 8th ship in the Disney Cruise Line. Now, wait a minute, you're saying? There's only 5 ships in the Disney Cruise Line. That's right. The 6th ship, the Treasure, is coming later this year in December. 7th ship, the Disney Adventure, is sailing from Singapore starting next year. And that leaves us Disney Destiny, the 3rd Wish class ship. Say that 3 times fast. That's going to be setting sail sometime next year. Probably going to get some more details about it at D23 in Anaheim next month, but let's see what Disney's telling us today. Open this up. It's inviting us to discover your destiny. There's a little card in here. Myths and legends. Fairy tales and fantasies. The Disney Destiny will draw on timeless tales of heroes and villains to introduce brand new experiences that celebrate the legacies and larger-than-life characters from Disney, Pixar, Marvel, and beyond. What we've got here, try not to glare too much. Your first steps begin as you open the doors to reveal clues about the cast of legendary characters and experiences waiting on board. I think those are the little doors we're supposed to look down here. And then after that, we're going to get more information about this starting on July 30th for 3 days, 30th, 31st, and August 1st. They're going to be doing reveals, and we'll have that information for you on themeparkinsider.com. But let's pop these things open and see what they've given us to put in our handy-dandy little bag here. First one we've got up. A familiar character, if you know the Disney Cruise Line. This looks like not Captain Minnie, but a superhero Minnie. This is going to be interesting. Moving on second, we've got these guys. 5 doors to open up here. Disney Destiny, the logo. Door 4. More clues. And I'll take what's behind door number 5. There we go as well. So, lots of fun stuff that will be explained in more detail, although I think some of you could probably figure it out just from those clues. Starting on July 30th, information about Disney Destiny, the next ship, or the 3rd next ship, coming on Disney Cruise Line. I'm Robert Niles for Theme Park Insider. For more information about Disney Cruise Line and everything else happening in the world of themed entertainment, check us out on themeparkinsider.com.